Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Canva to create brand social media kits, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Canva account and log in. Navigate to the home page. Click on the brand kit option in the side menu. If you don't see the option, check if you're using a Canva Pro account, as brand kit features are limited to Pro users. Once in the brand kit section, you'll find options to set your brand colors, fonts, and logos. Start by adding your brand colors. Click on the color palette icon. You can enter hex codes or choose colors from the palette. Next, set your brand fonts. Click on the font drop-down menu. Select your preferred font for headings and body text. Then, upload your brand logo. Click on the Upload button in the Logos section. Choose the logo file from your device and upload it. After setting up your brand kit, go back to the home page. Click on the Create a Design button. Select the type of social media kit you want to create. Choose a relevant template or start from scratch. Once in the design interface, access your brand kit. On the left sidebar, look for the brand kit option. Your selected brand colors, fonts, and logos will be available for use. Drag and drop the elements you want to incorporate into your design. Customize the text, images, and layout to suit your brand's identity. Repeat this process for each type of social media graphic you wish to create. When you're satisfied with your designs, click on the Download button at the top right. Select the file type suitable for your needs. Click Download to save your social media kit. Your Canva account is now fully authorized to create custom brand social media kits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.